is for bird. B is for the bus. You know some B words, now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Your turn. B, 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 b. B.
Hello everyone, I am Sarah and I am your English teacher for the coming few weeks. Let's see what I will be teaching you today. Vocabulary and phonics of the letter B. All audio and visual aids have been listed in the description below for your convenience. Don't forget to click subscribe. Let's get started. This is a lowercase b. This is an uppercase b. Very good. Now it's time for phonics. B sounds b, b, b. Amazing. Now let's do vocabulary. B for ball, ball, ball. B for baby, baby, baby. B for balloon, balloon, balloon. B for bow, bow, bow. Yay! We are done with our second lesson. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more lessons coming soon.